Installing the LUCCA flow control device onto your E61 group head espresso machine. We recommend installing the LUCCA flow control device while the machine is off and cool. Remove the mushroom cap with an adjustable wrench and microfiber towel to avoid scratching the chrome. Install the E61 mushroom with flow control from the kit into the brew valve. Ensure the brew lever is down to avoid water drainage. Expect some water to drip when installing. Use the adjustable wrench and microfiber towel to tighten the mushroom valve. Using the 5mm Allen key, remove the group head screw. Place the O-ring gasket onto the LUCCA gauge. Place the Teflon gasket into the group head. Push down and screw the LUCCA gauge into the group head. Close the flow control by screwing it clockwise. Install the paddle onto the E61 mushroom in the closed position. Tighten with a 2mm Allen key. Turn the machine on and let it warm up. Lift the brew lever to test for leaks. With the pump engaged, move the paddle to control water flow. Insert a blank basket to test the LUCCA gauge. Let's pull a shot. Position the paddle a quarter turn open. Pre-infuse for 10 seconds. Slowly ramp up pressure. At 25 seconds, ramp back down until reaching yield at 35 seconds.